What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to install these floor mats in this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need these parts or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So these floor mats go in the back. There's a difference between the right side and the left side, and you don't want to put them on other floor mats. There is grippers on the bottom. They grip to the carpet. This one goes right here. This one goes right here. So the shape of this is the difference right here, and then it's a little bit longer over here. So that's how the back ones go in. So this is the driver's mat. Now the drivers and the passengers are different. There is two little holes right here that these hooks go into. Now it comes with these hooks. If your hooks are missing, then you can install these. This goes through the carpet and then you push down on this little tab and that's gonna lock it in place. This vehicle has the hooks there, so I'm just gonna reuse the old hooks. Just slide this in position. Again, you don't wanna put a mat underneath here. And then slide it onto the hooks, just like that. Same with this hook. Just like that. Now this last one is the passenger side. Again, you don't want to put it on another mat. It does have these little nubs to keep it from moving around, but you do not have those little tabs that hold it in place. It's not as crucial on the passenger side as it is on the driver's side. So there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.